Hello guys, how you guys doing? Today feels like Friday because it's the last date of the week that the stock is gonna be open this week. So, okay, let's see. Um, for stocks, what I'm watching for stocks. I'm watching here. I post today on my watch list Nvidia, pretty much yesterday's close. That's the level to watch today. If it rejects there, most likely it's gonna keep going lower. Microsoft, same thing. Yesterday's low. That's a level that's been holding. It's around 421.50, something like that. 421.40. That's the level to watch on Microsoft. Microsoft, it's been down for 5 days. So let's see if it's gonna have another day another red day, or it's gonna have a bounce here. I'm kinda waiting for a bounce here after having so many red days in a row. So it's, yeah. And if it breaks above yesterday high, that will be very bullish. But as now, it's on a downtrend. The other thing that I'm watching that I just put an alert, but I'm not really watching. It's Amazon. Amazon, it's been projecting non-stop 180, but it's in a wedge, and that wedge is getting smaller and smaller and smaller, can break out to either side. So what we can do is just wait and see to what side it's gonna break, and then after we have, I will say, 1 day outside this wedge. So basically you want to see a breaking in a day, and then the next day you want a pullback if it is breaking on to the upside, or you want to bounce if it's breaking to the downside, and then you play that pretty much break and retest to whatever side breaks out. So I don't think Amazon is a play for today, but it's good to have it on our watch list. So maybe for next week, maybe. And when it comes to SPY and the queue is very messy. So I don't know if I want to trade the queue, honestly. Um, I'm watching 447, 446.50, and 444.80. So the level that it closed yesterday and yesterday high. Those are the levels that I'm watching on the queue. But again, the queue is a little bit, it's very choppy. Um, SPY, today's high, or I'm sorry, yesterday high, or a pullback to 522. Whatever it is, you guys have access to all that on my Discord. Oh, and today I'm gonna start the 10 accounts um for 10 Apex account challenge. Let's see how is that's gonna go. So basically, I'm gonna trade with you guys 10 50K accounts from Apex, and we're gonna pass evals, our evaluation accounts, and we're gonna try to pass it together. And I have few rules that I must follow. The first one is that I cannot trade outside the stream. So I'm only able to trade those 10 accounts on the stream. The other one is I cannot have a red day that is bigger than 800. And the third rule is I cannot have more than 3 red days the same day. So let's see how that goes. Today is the first day. And I'm gonna try with micros, because I know I like more the 50K accounts, but I know most of you are using I like more the 100K accounts, but I know most of you use the 50K accounts, so I decided to buy 10 50K. And for that, we need to trade micros, not minis. With mini, we blow it up like too fast. That account will go like didn't blow up in like 1 day. Okay, let's see. So for now, SPY is rejecting yesterday high. And Nvidia under yesterday's close, and the same for Microsoft. So it looks like the market open weak. Microsoft is already dead. Everything's already dead, especially the Q. Hola, morning, morning. Do we have data coming up today? I know we had at 8:30. This rejection here was perfection on Nvidia and Microsoft. Microsoft both rejected yesterday's low. I'm sorry, yesterday's close. 10 a.m. Okay, awesome, thank you. So SPY is trying to hold here. Okay, so it looks like this level here is acting as a resistance instead of acting as support. And if the Q cannot break that level, it's gonna keep going lower. I'm gonna go short with yes micros. No, 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 no. Byte being just one account. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, now. So I wanna see it keep it under this high here. Hopefully we have a good morning today and we don't have like every single morning this week that it's been chopping around and doing nothing until 30 minutes for the market close. Yeah, exactly. I don't know, Roy, but thank you. Thank you. Morning, morning. Okay, we're looking good so far. We're looking good. Let's see. Yeah, I wanna see SPY breaking this low here. And then my main PT is gonna be around 522. Let's see if we have any continuation here because Nvidia and Microsoft both are fighting yesterday's low. If Nvidia goes above this level, that's gonna be bullish. Yeah, it's definitely most likely it's gonna be a low volume day because it's a short week. So far, Q, Nvidia, and Microsoft all under resistance. So if those three don't break resistance, it are bearish. If any of those three break resistance and use it as support, that's bullish. So if Nvidia breaks this level and act as support, the Q most likely is gonna break this level. And if these levels here act as support on the Q, I'm gonna go long. I don't like this move on Nvidia. That's pretty bullish. Gonna wait and see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close. Yeah, I want to see a SPY rejecting this level. And Nvidia too. I want to see Nvidia rejecting that level too. Okay, I like that rejection on SPY. But Nvidia is looking strong. Apple looks like it wants to lose the 171 level of support. Microsoft is holding yesterday's low. We'll see. Yeah, Apple is losing it, but Microsoft is looking pretty strong. And same with Nvidia. Kind of mixy. Let's see what Meta's doing. Not much, but it's trying to hold yesterday's low. Let's see, Google. It's doing nothing. It's inside a range. Amazon. Looks like it's at one above 180. The date is looking bullish on Amazon. And if the Q breaks that 445 level, most likely Amazon is gonna go. Okay, so I have to get out here. I'm gonna go with this is risky, 0 DTE. Let's see, 180 Amazon. Yeah. So we have, okay, so I'm going long here on the Q. So now as long as the Q holds this level here, it's bullish, and I want to see Nvidia keep going. Look at SPY. SPY is definitely stronger than the Q. Look at that. I should have gone with SPY only by looking yesterday's candle. SPY very, very bullish. Uh, the Q not so much because it still had a red candle, even though the red daily candle is bullish. But SPY was way more bullish than the Q yesterday. Look at that move. Nvidia is so strong. Ooh, I don't like that candle. It's this 5 minute candle. If it closes like that, that's a rejection candle. Is Nvidia the only one that is moving like that? And the Q is not really following Nvidia. Yeah, Meta is bearish. Google, it's looking like it's rejecting also. Apple, trying to hold 171. AMD is looking beautiful for our swing trade. Okay, I'm gonna start selling here. Just a few. Okay, I left 2 runners. I'm gonna let those runners not gonna sell unless it breaks the VWAP. Unless the Q breaks the VWAP. Because how it's looking, the daily, it looks like it wants to retest yesterday high. Or yesterday open, pretty much the same level. But SPY is having trouble here. Let's see. And for my Amazon, it needs to break this resistance here. At least we're back to green. I'm looking for, on this challenge, what I'm looking for is consistency. Little by little, making, if it is $10, that's fine. If it is 1,000, even better. But for me, this challenge is adding up consistency. And yeah, I don't care if it takes me a month to pass those accounts. The idea is to trade how we should be trading the PAs also. Because most of us trade evaluation accounts a little bit more risky than PAs, and then we pass those bad habits to the PAs, and then we blow up the PAs. So I want to trade this one with, I want to try to trade in this challenge with A plus setups, like very good setups. No YOLOs, no high risk. I want to find good risk to reward trades, and then make a little bit of money, and then move on to the next day. You trade them like casino? No. Yeah, that's the thing. Like if we trade the evaluation accounts with, if we had bad habits on the evals, we're gonna pass those bad habits to the PAs. But no. Okay, come on, Amazon. Amazon's looking great. If Amazon can break this resistance, that thing is gonna boom boom. I should have bought for next week. But the 0DT, 70% up already. Yep. SPY is having trouble there with pre-market high. Almost 80% on those Amazon calls. I'm gonna log a little bit of profits here on Amazon. Um, I do change the amount of the size that I enter. It depends how much I like the setup. So because how the daily was looking, like for me, the Q holding this support here and how the daily is looking right now, for me, looks like it's gonna retest this level here. So yesterday high. So when I saw the Q breaking this resistance, I really, really, really like that for a move to the upside. Also watching how Nvidia broke this resistance too. Microsoft is rejecting yesterday's low again. That could be a very good put play. Microsoft rejecting that level again, 421.50. I don't like this SPY. I don't like how it's looking so weak. Rejecting here. SPY needs to hold the view up here. Let's see, I wanna see a SPY holding the view up here. Same with for Nvidia. I got Amazon for next week, the 182.5 contracts. Again, this is kind of high risk because Amazon is right at resistance. Whoa, whoa. Hmm, okay. I'm gonna sell another one and just leaving one micro there to see if we're gonna go to 446.50. Ooh, Microsoft is looking kind of tempting to play this rejection here. And if we have Microsoft going down, that's not gonna help the Q. So it's kind of weird because we have Nvidia looking bullish, Microsoft looking bearish. Apple is holding 171. If it bounces here, it's gonna help the Q. That's a very strong 5-minute candle there. Next resistance is all-time high, right? I think that's, yeah, all-time high. I don't think it shouldn't break all-time high with low volume. So today, it shouldn't, but who knows? Who knows? Because the market's been so weird that anything can happen. But yeah, that's the next resistance. Around 420, 524. Above 524. Looks like it wants to retest that. Come on, you just break that level. Just go. Microsoft turning around. What I love about playing micros is that we can buy a bunch and then leave runners. And I love having runners. That's how I trade options. And that's how I'm able to hold for longer time, because if on the first push I can lock most of my profits and then just leave some runners, the risk pretty much is off the table. Amazon looks like it's consolidating here. Could go down and touch the VWAP, but if it keeps holding here, I like this consolidation right at resistance. You forgot about one? You were lucky. Well, the max you can lose is how much you paid for that contract. I like this consolidation here on SPY. I think I might kind of want to enter here on 2 micros maybe. Gonna wait a little bit and see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Because SPY is definitely stronger than the Q, and I'm holding the Q. I don't like that move. That is not a good candle. If breaks the VWAP, I'm out. We have 40 seconds for that candle to close. Let's see if it's gonna bounce here. Nvidia is holding, Amazon is holding, Microsoft is kind of holding, but it's under resistance. Let's see. Okay, I'm out. I don't like how Nvidia is looking weak there. That's definitely gonna drag the Q lower. Unless it bounce here. The Q is not looking cute. Short ES. If you want to short something, go for the Q because it's weaker than ES. ES SPY is holding VWAP so far. Yeah, it's Nvidia. Or maybe it's flagging. Could be flagging. So we're like $10 off. Mm, yeah, Nvidia. Microsoft surprisingly is holding very good. On futures, nothing. I'm out. Gonna wait a little bit and see if Nvidia, what's Nvidia gonna do. So yesterday's close, it's exactly here. So still bounce here. So little choppy morning. Choppy morning. We got a fake out here on the queue. So far on SPY looks like a fake out too. And same with Nvidia. Mara is at 23. I was so looking for Mara to go to 23 or 25, but it stopped me out. So far, look this 2 30-minute candle here on SPY. We have no direction. Even right now looking pretty bearish, but we have no clear direction. Nvidia is fighting here at this level. Amazon Microsoft and Nvidia all fighting to hold. That's why I don't feel 100% confidence to play this rejection here. Amazon is holding very, very good. Is this a head and shoulder here on SPY? Maybe. We have the head, maybe left shoulder, maybe gonna do the right shoulder. Maybe. But I don't like playing head and shoulders on a uptrend, only on a downtrend. And technically, SPY right now it's on an uptrend, even though it's looking very weak at this moment. I like to play head and shoulders when we have a clear downtrend. Oh yeah, so far we have nothing. Ooh, that's awesome. Congrats. 1900? That's pretty good. You should be done with your day. Go touch grass. Go a tie. Ugh. Kind of want to play puts on Microsoft. I like that. It's cannot break 421.50. But I'm not going to. No, I don't like cats. I don't like cats at all. I'm a dogs person. I don't like cats' personality or smell. Cat smells like wet, like dirty, wet towels. Or they pee. Their pee. I don't know what's. Maybe it's their pee, but I don't like cats. I find it like kind of funny that people here in the States love cats. Back home, it's not like. It's more like dogs. And I love dogs. Dogs are the best. Yeah, definitely looks like that Head and Shoulders is gonna play out. And also Microsoft rejection. Hola. Worry morning. Again. Another weird morning. Yeah, it should be done also. Okay, that move is gonna on Nvidia. If it really is gonna lose this low here, the Q is gonna be done so. SMCI? Let's see. SMCI. Yeah, that's not gonna help Nvidia. Mm, and Nvidia is right at this level here. That was yesterday's close, and it looks like it was a level on pre-market. Still holding there. Still fighting that. I think Google needs to break 153. 153, I think is the level that Google's been fighting. It's not looking good at all. Look at this chart. It's doing nothing. You have a bunch of wicks at the top, wicks at the bottom. It's looking weaker than stronger, but it's doing nothing. I don't like this Google chart. Look, even the daily has a bunch of weird candlesticks. Super weird. Like it gets smaller and smaller and weaker and weaker. So yeah, no, I don't like Google. Mm, I like clear trends. Amazon is looking fantastic so far. Retest the VWAP and it's bouncing. But needs to break 181.50. Yeah, look at that Nvidia. It's holding. In fact, I think Nvidia here is a good entry to play the upside. Let's see how our Nvidia calls for today. Definitely high risk. The 905 are under 600. Are 5.50 pretty much. But yeah, Nvidia looks like a good break and retest. I'm not gonna take Nvidia. I already have Amazon, so I'm good with that one. I think Amazon is the one that looks the best out of everything. Mm. How much I have made from trading? Honestly, I don't know. I've been trading for 7 years, so I honestly don't know. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, this week it's been super weird price action, and last week too. Last week was weird also. Yes, I am. I've been trading full time for I think now 5 years or 4 years and a half. No, Apex I started on September. So I started Apex and Futures at the same time. So my first Future account was with Apex. And it was in September. You guys saw me here on stream. I started in the stream. Mm. So you guys pretty much have seen my entire Futures journey. I like this hold on NVIDIA, and I like how SPY is holding yesterday high. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put a line here. This is yesterday high. Let me see something. Oh no, it's under yesterday high because yesterday high was here. This, so this is the resistance. Oh no, today's Thursday. Oh, I thought today was Friday. Wait. That's not yesterday high. Yesterday was Wednesday. Okay, this is yesterday high. Yep. Futures, definitely futures. I made way more money like easily with the futures, but honestly, I will say I don't know if it is because I find it easy because I started trading futures when I already knew how to read charts. So it's not like everything is new for me when it comes to trading futures. But yeah, I like more futures than options. What I like about options is that I can swing trade. Yeah, I have a swing on AMD, so I'm not really gonna look AMD. So that trade is pretty much set and forget. If it doesn't break my stop loss, I'm not even looking AMD. And I have alerts there, so I have alerts on my stop loss. Yep, AMD is one. And I think I'm gonna swing also Amazon. Depend how it closed today. So we're $3 up on this. If we take out the fees and everything, we're $3 up on these accounts. At least we're not red, right? That's the only thing that matters to me on these accounts. I don't want to be red. Yep, exactly, Justin. Daily and weekly. For swings, daily and weekly. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is crazy today. Mm, I did pretty much everything before trading because um but I was doing and I was studying for my two MBAs. But yeah, I did pretty much everything because I needed money. Well, not everything, but you know. Yeah, I like how SPY is holding here. I think I'm gonna go long with SPY. Let's see how it is, well, with ES micros. Let's see how the 5 minute candle is gonna close. Yeah, I like how SPY is holding. It's doing not much, but it's consolidating, holding yesterday high. Yeah, I went long there. And this is the third trade. And if you stop me out, I'm done. Mm, If the 30-minute candle closes like that, that's pretty bullish. But I still have a long way to go for its close. So it's still over 20 minutes for that candlestick to close. Mm. And what got me into trading was like I wanted to make money on my own. I didn't want to have a boss, and I didn't want to have employees. My family has a ice cream sandwich business in Venezuela that is doing very, very good, and I kind of wanted to open it here, but then I was like, I don't know if I wanna. I feel really good just trading in the morning and be done with my day, not having employees, uh, not having to be, um, like being able to be free. Like I want to make money and be free. Look at that move on Microsoft. Yeah, I didn't want a boss or employees. It is so freeing and relaxed when you have nobody tell you anything. Also, it's even more free and relaxed when when you don't have people under you. Being the owner of a business is extremely difficult. Extremely difficult. Okay, it's definitely a choppy market, a choppy day today. We have um wicks everywhere at the top and at the bottom. Um, not follow through on any move besides Nvidia, pretty much, and maybe Amazon also. But SPA and the queue are a mess. Hola. Microsoft keeps rejecting the same exact level. And Nvidia is kind of holding, but not doing much. Might go for the retest of this downtrend here. Maybe. Yeah. And it's right there. It's right there. Yeah, I know. Like, I grew up with everyone on my family having businesses. Like, my dad, my mom, my siblings, my uncles, my cousins, they all have their own business. And yeah, they're the boss, but at the end, they have more responsibilities. And a lot of times, especially at the beginning, they don't even get paid at the beginning, so they can keep the business open. So and it's very stressful. Yeah, exactly. You're pretty much working all day, every day. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna have to stop out here. Let's see. And I'll be done trading because this is super choppy. Okay, it's holding. Yeah, I don't see it like it's not about being nice or not. Obviously, we gotta be nice to everyone. And if you're working or not, it's more about I don't need that to have that on my shoulder. Like, I don't need that. And also, I don't like to tell people what to do. Okay, it's looking bullish there. Let's see if we have any continuation here. Or we're gonna keep chop around. Chop around. Yeah, both, yes. Like, SPY is looking very bullish right now. And the Q is looking like it's flagging. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, looks like it's flagging. But yeah, the SPY is definitely stronger than the Q. Where is AMD at? Let's see. We have an amazing entry on AMD. Yeah, we had an amazing entry. Yeah, um, yeah, I need to break this level right what it is right now. So this level, it's been rejecting for so long that it needs to break that level. My main PT is this one. It will be 186, 188. Let's put it in alert under 186 so I can take some profits there. And then under 188 so I can take some profits there. But I think AMD could go back to 194 and or 200. But obviously with time. It's not gonna take like maybe more. It's gonna take more than a month. Um, moving to Florida, yes. I will say Miami is a little bit crazy. But I'm kind of used to that because I come from a crazy country, so I kind of like that. I don't like small towns here in the States. I lived in one and I was so bored and it was freezing. So I like Miami because it's insane. And you can do whatever freaking you want. Like pretty much anything you want to do, you can do it here in Miami. R2Y. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at this retest here. Dang it. Bro. Look at this retest here. It was yesterday. And today open holding yesterday high. That was the trade today. That was the trade. Yep, that was the trade. That was beautiful. Today retest this level. And then boom boom. How's IWM looking? That thing is flying. Look at that. Gap up and gap and go. Gap and go. Best city in Florida? I don't know. Maybe Naples? I like Sarasota also. Yeah, maybe if you like that. I will die if I live in a ranch or in a small town. I'm not a small town person. The good thing is like towns are very, very cheap. Extremely cheap. Compared to like Miami. Yeah, yeah, Orlando is nice. It's basically everything goes around Disney. Like a bird flag? No, like a bull flag. Yeah, Destin is very nice for vacation. I have a friend that lived there and I visited him like a couple of times and I could not live there. That thing has like one street only. Very small town. Nothing to do unless you go like the only thing to do on there on Destin is going to the beach. And when it's winter it's cold for that at least. But yeah, it's beautiful. Destin is beautiful. How do I handle summers? I shower like 3 times per day because it's crazy hot. Okay, I'm gonna start selling here. This thing is like doing nothing. What may I don't switch between all like you gotta go with the top holdings on SPY and QQQ. That's what moved the market. The top holdings on SPY and the Q. And those are pretty much the same. Apple, Google, Nvidia, Amazon, what else? Microsoft, and Meta. You know when you have a choppy market, when the candles move like that, you have a fast move and then pulls back down and then goes fast again and then pulls back down again. Those weird move on candlesticks means choppy, other than having no trend. Yeah, so right now it's not even summer yet, but I'm playing tennis and paddle in like around I think we start playing at 5 and it's so hot. Like where's my phone? On Saturdays we play around 11 o'clock and it's crazy. And it's not even summer yet. Like today, it's kinda windy for Miami, and it's not that hot because it's at 84 degrees. In fact, next week is gonna be kinda low because we're having 63, 61, and 62 degrees days, which is low. Last weekend was around 87, I think. Okay, so we have nothing. I'm all out. Today is not a day to be trading. Let's see. So this is the day for these 10 accounts. The challenge, not a good day to start. This is it. I'm gonna work. I'm gonna try to figure it out how to always show the total P&L for these accounts, so you guys can see where we at on each day. Not only today's P&L, but the total. So yeah, so $27. Oh, $27.86 for today. At least we're not red. Um, well, yeah, this is getting extremely boring and super choppy. Yeah, SPY looks bullish, but the market's doing nothing. So no point on trading here. So yeah, I'm done for today, guys. Um, my stop loss for Amazon swing, it's gonna be today's low. Let's go with today's low. 179. It's gonna be 179. Under 179, I'm out. Yeah, it's pretty much today's low. But yeah. Yeah, have a nice weekend, you too, guys. Yeah, SPY is looking pretty bullish. And same with the Q, but mostly SPY because the 30-minute candle is closing strong and is holding above yesterday high, but this is a chop mess. And I don't want to keep trading here. So I don't want to keep trading with these accounts. But yeah, 27, how much was it? Yeah, 27.86. It's what we make today. But yeah, see you guys on Monday. Thank you for being here, okay? Have a great weekend. Bye.